Powerful tornadoes also rough up America's southern tier, from Alabama to Georgia, up into North Carolina. That region is called Dixie Alley. Twisters there can be just as vicious as those in the more famous Tornado Alley. One of them hit Shaw University in Raleigh, North Carolina on April 16, 2011.
The stairwells would be the safest place to be, or once you got into a place that was away from the windows, you were generally pretty safe.
When I saw this, I'm like, this is pure chaos right here.
Look at all the debris flying around out there, and it's that debris, that's the stuff that can hurt you.
The cameraman here was clearly pretty excited and going from one location to another, and then he's saying, wow, I'm going to try to document this.
It's just fascinating. He basically takes us into the immediate aftermath. We don't always see it from the human perspective on the ground and eyes that are actually just experienced this.
Oh my God. All the offices is done and everything. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh God.
We're seeing complete rooms just destroyed and demolished.
Oh man. Hey, you can see outside and everything.
You can feel the stress of the situation, and they're obviously just really, really impacted.
Everything is done. Everything is done.
The buildings themselves are not likely to topple, but the strong winds of the tornado in this case broke the windows.
Everybody's window was busted open. Everybody's window is busted open.
You don't want to be anywhere with windows because look what happened.
Shaw's 2,300 students escape without serious injury, but the school itself is hit hard.
Every building suffered some kind of damage. The school was closed for the rest of the school year. It suffered more than $3 million worth of damage.
The repairs will be completed in 4 months. Then students can return and begin putting the tornado behind them.